Mr. Rich in the house.
Yeah, Sharon's looking at me like, you're getting up, right? After Don and Sharon have already gotten up. So it's an incredible experience. And, earlier we were talking about, whether the light bulb came on. I'm thinking, well, I've had quite a few little light bulbs, but I think they're kind of breakthrough. One of them, this whole idea, the presentation about Oberlo yesterday, and about, literally just in a few clicks you could be up and running. That just was kind of a mind blower. That automation was there. I guess I kind of knew it was there, but there's so much static and noise out there in the world that you kind of ignore all of the stuff until you have someone to guide you. And maybe that's the point of kind of my comment now, is that being in this community, we're getting real expert TLC advice, and I mean that both ways. Guidance as to what works and what doesn't, and how to avoid the pitfalls, and really, really high touch coaching and guidance and peers. I love our peer group, and we've advanced that relationship, I think, much more. So if any plug I'll put in, I know this is supposed to be open micing about our experience, but I guess my testimonial is really the peer group has meant just been incredible with Sharon and Don, and we've got a couple of more members that have come into our group with Brian, and I guess it's official that now I don't know if Don, if you know it, but your dad wants to be in our group, so I guess that's official now publicly, right? But if you're not in an accountability group and not actively participating, I highly encourage it. So with that.
Awesome. Thank you. Yeah.